Automatic rewinding machine for 248 rolls packing. Glue lamination for rewinding machine. For 248 rolls packing machine. 1. The finished packing style can do 248 rolls packing style. 2. The machine can do toilet roll, kitchen towel, maxi roll, public jumbo roll. 3. The finished logging diameter is 90 to 300 millimeters. The cutting length is 1000 millimeters. 4. The speed is 200 meters per minute. 1 minute can produce about 50 rolls. 5. The PLC can directly control the jumbo roll tension. No needs the labor to adjust one by one. 6. The machine is controlled by independent motors. Every part controlled by independent motors. 7. The screen can change to Spanish, polish, etc. 8. Akin according to the customer's local jumbo roll to special customization. The Matchy model. It can do 1350 to 3000 millimeters.